Okay, let's go through the very first question. What is the smallest four-digit even number that can be formed with the digit 7, 3, 6, and 2? So first thing first, we need to understand the question. What did the question say it's about? It's telling you that is four-digit, and you want the smallest, and you want it to be an even number. So that is how many digits there are? There are 4 digits, 4 boxes, okay? And you want the last value to be a even number. So what is even number? Even number is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Don't forget your 0. Okay? So based on this question, we have 2 and 6 being the even number. So we know that the last digit can only be 2 or 6. Okay, what you can write it below 2 or 6. Next, you look at the 4th digit, you want the smallest. So the smallest is your 2. So the first digit is 2. When the first digit is 2, the last digit cannot be 2 anymore. The last digit has to be 6. And this 2 digits is either a 7 or a 3. So how do we decide whether it's a 7 or a 3? We can put inside the box and check. So we have 2, 7, 3, 6, or 2, 3, 7, 6. Okay? So the first digit is your thousands. The second digit is your hundred, your tens, and your ones. So we already matched the 1,000, 2, and 2. Next, to know whether which one is bigger, look at the hundreds. The smaller the value, the smaller the digit. The bigger the value, the smaller the digit, the smaller the value of the number. The bigger the digit, the bigger the value of the number. So 2736 and 2376, 3 is smaller than 7. So 3 is the answer that we want. So we will put 3 in front and 7 behind. This will give us option number